Hello viewers, I am Maitli. Today we are going to see 10 CBSE Maths Arithmetic Progression Exercise 5.3 10 sum. Let's see the question. Show that A1, A2, A3 up to A1, AN form an AP where AN is defined as below. So they have given A1, A2, A3, AN. The AN formula here is, in the first one it's given as AN is equal to 3 plus 4n. In the second sum it's given that AN is equal to 9 minus 5n. Also find the sum of first 15 terms. They have asked us to find whether this is an AP, and they have also asked us to find the sum of 15 terms. First we'll see whether, the first sum, that is AN equal to 3 plus 4n. And they have also asked us to find the sum of first 15 terms. First we'll see whether this is an AP or not. For that, just substitute, if anything it's given, AN value is given, AN formula is given, substitute the value of 1 instead of n. If there is one equation with the n, just substitute the value of 1, 2, 3 in the place of n. Let n equal to 1, 2, 3, dot dot dot. I'm just going to find A1, A2, A3. If I substitute 1 here, I get 3 plus, A1 equal to 3 plus 4 into 1. This becomes 4 plus 3, 7. So A1 equal to 7. Similarly, I will do with A2. A2 equal to 3 plus 4 into 2. Here A2 equal to 3 plus 4 2s are 8. Here it becomes 11. Similarly, I want to do with A3, because to find whether it is an AP, we want at least the first 3 terms. So we will find till A3. 3 plus 4 into 3. So A3 will become 3 plus 4. 3s are 12. A3 will become 15. So we found A1, A2, A3. We need to find D1, that is A2 minus A1, as well as D2, that is A3 minus A2. If this is same, if the common difference is same, then we can say that the AP, the sequence are in AP. If it is not, then it will not be in AP. We need to find just, so D1 equal to 4. Here the same way, D2 equal to 15 minus 11. So D2 equal to 4. Therefore, as D1 equal to D2, they forms an AP. So as the common difference are equal, they forms an AP. Now we need to find S15. For that we want SN formula. SN formula is nothing but n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Here S15 we want to find. S15 is 15 by 2 into 2 into a. A is the first term. First term we have already found it to be 7 plus n minus 1 is 15 minus 1 is 14 into d is, as the d is same, we can take any number because d is same in all the thing. It's 15 by 2. Here 7 2s are 14 plus 4 4s are 16, 4 1s are 4, 56. Now 15 by 2. Here you need to add 70. We can cancel this. This becomes 35. So 15 into 35. So S15 equal to 15 into 35. We can multiply 35 into 15. Which is 525. So S15 is equal to 525 is the answer. So we have found S15 for the first subdivision. We'll move on to the second subdivision. In the second subdivision, it is given that Second subdivision, an is equal to 9 minus 5n. As same, let n is equal to 1 comma 2 comma 3 up to infinitive. When we substitute a1, just substitute in the place of n, substitute 1. Wherever you see n, you just substitute the value 1. If I substitute 1 here, a1 equal to 9 minus 5 into 1. 5 into 1 is 5. So a1 equal to 4. Similarly, we will do with a2. I am substituting 2, so I need to substitute 2 here. Minus 5 into 2. So a2 equal to 9 minus 10. a2 equal to minus 1. Similarly, we do with a3. 9 minus 5 into 3. a3 equal to 9 minus 15. So a3 becomes minus 6. Now we'll find d1. d1 is nothing but a2 minus a1. Same way, we have to find whether it is in AP or not, we need to find the common difference to be the same. So we will also find d2, which is a3 minus a2. Here minus 1 minus 4 will become minus 5. So my d1 has become minus 5. Same way, d2 equal to a3 is minus 6, minus of minus 1. Be careful with the sign. Here is one minus and a2 is minus 1. So this becomes minus 6 plus 1, which is minus 5. So d2 equal to minus 5. As the common difference is same, as d1 is equal to d2, therefore they form an AP. So they form an AP. We also need to find S15. For that, Sn formula is n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. They have asked for S15. So 15 by 2 into 2 into a. This is the first term. First term we found it to be 4. Plus n minus 1 is 15 minus 1 is 14 into d will be minus 5. Here 15 by 2 into 8 plus into minus will become minus. 5 4s are 20, 5 1s are 5 6 7, so it becomes minus 70. So 15 by 2 into, here if I subtract, I get 62 with the greater number sign of minus. I can cancel this. This becomes 31. I need to multiply 15 into 31. 465. So minus 465 is my answer for S15 for the second subdivision. You can also write the sum of first 15 terms is equal to minus 465. That's all with the sum. Thank you.